Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to predict on equipment failure. And so basically, we've got 6 pieces of equipment, EQ1 to EQ6. And these pieces of equipment have so many hours usage. And that's in column B of the spreadsheet. So we're going to predict, we've got to calculate, this is slope, this is B0, which is your intercept, and this is B1, which is your slope. So you've got an intercept and a slope, and I don't know why it says usage hours there because it's slope. It should be slope. So H1 is your intercept and H2 is your slope. So you've got B0 intercept and B1 slope. And I don't know why it says usage hours because it's a slope. Okay. And then we're going to predict on the probability. So the formula that you're going to use to predict on the probability is 1 divided by brackets 1 plus EXP brackets negative brackets H1 plus H2 times B2. And then you're going to copy and paste that all the way down. And what that will do is that will give you a probability of whether or not the equipment is going to fail. So if it's a 1, the equipment fails. And if it's 0, it's not. And then so what we do here is we put an if statement in here. So if C2 is greater than or equal to 0.5, comma 1, else 0. So we copy and paste that all the way down as well. So you can see it's 1, 0, 1, 0. Then you have something called a log likelihood. So you can calculate the log likelihood also, and that's going to be D2 times Ln brackets C2 brackets plus brackets 1 minus D2 brackets times Ln brackets 1 minus C2 brackets. And then what you can do is you can total that, and the total of the log likelihood is negative 0.91. And what I did was I made a chart for you that lets you know the failure. So if the value is less than 0.5, then it's going to be 0, meaning the equipment hasn't failed. But if it's 0.5 or higher, then it's going to be 1, meaning that the equipment has failed. So that concludes this video. The next video we'll be talking about another statistical subject, and I hope you decide to watch it.